Hi guys, let's go through this unboxing process together. Just bought this Western Digital my passport 4 terabyte hard disk from Corey's PC World. Normally it costs about £140, but since I bought it during the Christmas, I was able to get it for like £97. I'm not sure if the price has gone back up again. So we're gonna go through the unboxing together. Alright, it's just not coming. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Here we go. No manual inside here. I think it should be here. Got the manual. Got the data cable. Let's see if I can open these up. I should be able to open this way. Okay. And okay, got the manual, you've got the data cable. Should be the same as the other one. This is 3.0 USB cable, and Western Digital backup, security, utility drive, security. It's about repetition anyway. And this is how it looks. Let's take out the Now I'm going to be performing some write and read speed on this, which I'm going to share with you later on. Just stay tuned with my channel, and we would unravel everything about this drive, and let's see its performance level. And that is just the basic stuff about it for now. And so subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, any comment, just put it in the comment below. I'll put the link again. I got it from Corey's PC World. I'll still put the link in the description below. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.